Cheese.
Hi, C.
Hi.
What are you doing there?
I'm sitting. That's my bike.
What are you doing over here?
I'm pretending this is a horse.
Do you want to stand up? Try to.
That's my cycle.
It's okay, babe. It's okay. Don't worry. Are you having fun there?
Yeah. I can leave
Yay.
Climbing the tree. You want to do it?
Try standing up.
Yeah. I'm a little scared. No, I don't want to stand up. But
Try standing up. Or let me try catching your feet. Let me try catching your feet. Let me try catching your feet. Let me try pulling you. Can I pull you?
I know.
Let me try.
Oh,
Should I try to pull you?
Mama, can I come off?
No.
Please.
No.
Oh,
You are going to stay there. You want to stay there? Try coming off. It's a big tree. Try to come off.
I want to go on my bike.
Come off. Yay. What are you doing?
Hi guys. Hi guys. Today I have my musical bike. Do you want to hear the music? Stop and listen. Like it? So I'm going to go all the way to my home, okay, guys? Correct? You know what? Can we, guys, come over here? Just walk on here, guys. Walk on here. Look, I have my food all empty from the free video, and this is my water. Then, bring some kids.
No.